The April showers truly do bring May flowers. What a beautiful rainy day for some indoor homemaking. Well, it's time to have a cozy spring day in, lighting the candles, turning the lamps on. The rain is pouring down outside and it's time to get going on our day. I'm starting off with some sourdough dinner rolls because I am going to be making egg salad later for you guys, and I am doing these sourdough dinner rolls. They're from Farmhouse on Boone, but I switched feeding my sourdough starter to white flour. For 3.5 years I did whole wheat flour, and I am now doing an unbleached organic all-purpose white flour. I thought I'd give it a shot and try it, and it seems to be taking quite nicely. So I'm just getting these dinner rolls going so I can have them ready for the evening. The Americano my husband made for me at breakfast time probably 2 hours ago needed some reheating, and so I'm just sipping on that, and then it's time to keep rolling with the homemaking tasks. The unmaking of the beds, the putting on the fresh sheets. This is something that I do every week with the help of my kiddos as they are getting better at helping in their rooms, and doing my own bed because it's just so nice to have fresh made bed, and you've seen me make it before. It's not always perfect, but it is nice to have clean sheets. And I'd say, hey, that's the most important thing, is that I got clean sheets on the bed and the bed made. And then, like I said, doing the girls' room. And now it's time for some school and some snacks, and just truly enjoying the rain as it falls outside, enjoying just teaching my girls about what it is to learn and love learning. Since I was doing some work in the kitchen, I thought I might as well do a good wipe down of my cabinets and get some of the grime off, some of the grease, whatever else may be on there, because boy does it happen to get stuck on there more than a person would think, and especially with white cabinets. I've heard with dark cabinets and white cabinets, it's just everything's visible. So getting that wiped off. Doing a little magic eraser magic on the cabinets and cupboards and drawers as well, because pencil marks, food grime that's really stuck on, coffee that's dripped down. This is just a wonderful tool to have in a homemaker's cleaning kit. Alright, so I'm excited about this. I purchased a Bissell steam wand or steam machine off of Amazon. I had heard some good things about it and I wanted to give it a shot. So I am doing that on the corners of my cabinets with the brush wand part, and then you'll see that I had used it a different day and did just some of my trim and some of my doors, and oh my goodness, it is amazing. It's incredible. I was shocked at how well it got the grime off, like things that I thought I couldn't get off with just scrubbing, like with a toothpick or a toothbrush or whatever it was. This just really got it off nice and quick, and much less work for myself. And isn't that what we want sometimes as homemakers, is easy and less work, but it still does the job and does it very efficiently. So there was grease up here above my microwave and it just came off beautifully. And then look at that grime in my sliding glass door, and now look, it's just so beautiful, and it did not take much effort at all. So yes, it's somewhat of an investment. I think I want to say is between $30 to $40, but I have used it 3 or 4 times already in about a week and a half span, and I would definitely use it more. Your kids would love using it too, as I'm sure it would be kind of just like a fun little toy, yet cleaning for them if they're a little bit older, by the way. But yes, and this was also great to get my backsplash clean and get some of that grime off. We even had some grout that had been stuck on it from when we did it a long time ago, and it got that off. So fun to have a nice little tool to get things clean, and that rain just comes down. So I'm sharing a Facebook Marketplace find I did get. They are these caning wood chairs, vintage, and I was so excited to find them. However, I got very disappointed when I got them that they were not as solid and firm as they were told to me. So without further saying and making this long and drawn out, I did get rid of them. But I know I want something that is vintage and just my style for my kitchen. So I'm going to enjoy a latte and probably keep perusing Facebook Marketplace more to find the right chair for my home. Anyways, I enjoyed a little bit of leftover pie, and now I am making this egg salad sandwich for you because it's springtime. The chickens are producing the eggs well. I use chives in my egg salad, and that's a wonderful vegetable or a wonderful herb to have in the garden. So I want to share this recipe with you. You can find the exact ingredients over on my blog, daviekillian.com. And I got some help because there's some fun tools to use, like an egg slicer, and some of the items in the salad, some of the foods, are toddler friendly to cut. I guess my almost 5-year-old is not a toddler anymore, but cutting some pickles, some celery. I used Greek yogurt. You can use mayo. Add in some of the extras. You can add in avocado if you wanted. You could add in sriracha if you wanted it spicy. And then I just add some salt and pepper. Got it all mashed up. And it was just super delicious for the meal that we'll have with the dinner rolls. Salad is one of my favorites, and so here are the dinner rolls getting made. The dough rose pretty nicely because it was decently warm in the house. I'd say maybe having them a little bit longer than my 8 hours would do, but separating them into 8 pieces and then getting them formed into their roll and just going to enjoy them, like I said, with our egg salad. I do not show a complete meal picture for you, but it definitely was delicious. It was a hit with all of my kiddos. Like I said, egg salad is one of my favorites, and I really like having it even just on a cracker or just eating it by the spoonful. So with the rain outside slowing down for the evening, I'm enjoying my flowers and some hot tea and relighting some more candles for the evening. So I hope you enjoyed this rainy day of homemaking and that you can enjoy your spring with all the life that is coming up around us.